Hello everyone. In this video we will discuss about a brief demo as to how to use this free file converter utility to resize your images according to the required pixels, as well as for compressing the images, as well as for converting PDFs into JPGs. So if you want to get started, so I have this entire project hosted at this GitHub link, so you can use this GitHub link, and if you just need to use this utility, just download this free converter utility.jar file. And if you want to see the entire code, then you can of course clone this entire link. So this is one aspect of it. So let me just show you. So I have this feature of resizing the images according to the pixel, or maybe the rotation if you want the images to be rotated, as well as the quality of the images and the output format. Then compressing the images as to amount of compression you want to do, maybe 10%, 20%, 90%, depending on your choice. Then converting, so if you want to convert PDFs to JPGs, so this is the tool for you. So let us get started. So I have these files at this particular folder, and I will resize these images. So first I will go to image resizer, then select the images. I will go to the path or the folder where my images are located. Here I will select these three JPG and PNG images, open them, and maybe I want some arbitrary values, 200 height and 200 width. So of course it won't do according to the specifications that are there originally in the images. It will scale them accordingly, and I will select the output directory. Now of course you can select if you want the images to be rotated. Maybe I want the images to be 90-degree rotated and the output quality to be same, and all these images should be, although I have the images both in JPG, PNG and PNG, I want all of them in JPG, so I will select JPG. There are other options also, and then I will click on create pictures. So as you can see, image resizing successful, and this folder is created, and if you can see, the images have been rotated by 90-degree. So this is the image, and if I go back, the original image is this one. So it has been scaled according to the pixel, and the image has been created. So I'll just delete this. Then I will go back and select on image compression. So for image compression, currently we can only compress JPG images, JPG or JPEG images. So let me select the image. Again I will go to testing ground, and I'll select capture, and maybe I want to compress it by 50%. I will click type 50, then I will select the output path. Here I want to create my output file, then I will select on compress. The image has been compressed successfully. So now before opening that folder, as you can see, I will select the property. You can see it is 32.4 KB, and if I go and see properties, it is 16.9 KB. So it has been compressed exactly by 50%. So this is the image we have. Now again let me delete this folder. Now if I want to create JPGs from a PDF, so if I have a PDF of some 10 or 5 or any number of pages, and I want them in a JPG format, so what I will do is that I will select this file converter, and then drop down, select PDF to JPG, then select the input PDF file that I want to convert. I am selecting this file that is there. Then I am selecting the output path, and I want it to be created in the same path where the folder is there. Select folder, then select on convert files. Now file conversion is successful. If I open it, so originally this Excel sheet has some 3 pages, and these 3 pages have been converted into 3 JPG files. So that's about it. For any further information, you can take a look at this GitHub page where there is exhaustive documentation, as well as if you want to check out the code, you can clone this repo, and in this file converter, this is basically a Maven project with all the code inside it. So you can take a look at it. So thank you, and hope you like this tool.